Hello there, welcome to Spaceship Pro. Syncing your online store orders with Spaceship Pro has already made your shipping process smoother. Now, let's level it up with shipping automation. It seamlessly imports your shipment requests and fills in additional details. Say goodbye to the tedious, repetitive tasks and hello to error-free shipping. Today, we're going to show you how to automate Shopify orders with shipping rates. Shopify store owners can set up Shopify shipping rates to manage shipment requests. With shipping automation, our clients can make synced orders that automatically matched with their rates and ship out on Spaceship Pro. Let's hear how Tina automate her Shopify orders with us and faster her workflow.
I run a Shopify store and have loads of international orders coming in. I want to give my customers two shipping choices. A free one based on their purchase amount and another standard option that impacts delivery speed. How can I make Shopify orders set up automatically?
Sure, Tina, let me assist you to automate easily. First rule, free shipping. Set two conditions for Shopify store and shipping rate, free. Along with 3 actions to automate all your requests: economy carrier, Spaceship Air, tax term, DAP, and then your packaging size. Add conditions. Click Store or Platform and choose the store you want to automate. Then click on Shopify Shipping Rate and enter your shipping rate keywords, free. You can choose from 3 conditions to control your shipping automation: the shipping rates, contains, does not contain, or is exactly the keywords. Move on to actions, enter your carrier service, Spaceship Air, and tax term, DAP. Additionally, try to input your packaging size to streamline your workflow. Check again your settings and click Create. Second rule, standard shipping. Set 2 conditions for Shopify store and shipping rate, standard. This time choose carrier service, SF Express, tax term, DDP, and then your customized packaging size. Set up your conditions as first rule. And enter standard as keywords for your Shopify shipping rate. As per Tina's request, since her main international orders are mostly in Asian countries, we'll go with SF Express as the carrier service. After entering the packaging size, check your conditions and actions one last time. Click Create, and your shipping automation setting is completed. Now, all the synced orders from your Shopify store will be automatically fulfilled according to your shipping requests. Experience error-free shipping automation with Spaceship Pro. See you next time.